put some cayenne pepper into the cup like this. So if you like it strong, you can put a nice pinch inside of it. If you like it very strong. If you don't like it too strong, don't put too much cayenne pepper, all right? Yeah, cause you don't know if you have heartburn, all right? A good vibes. Now, I'm going to use tablespoon because I like it, the apple cider vinegar. Just a little bit more. Okay? If you like to use honey, you can use some honey inside of it. But I just do it naturally. Like that. And then I'm going to put some water. Okay? Don't drink nothing else. That's it. You see that? Beautiful and nice. All right? Yeah. Now, this, you want to drink it. The best time to drink it is in the morning. All right, guys? But you can also drink it before you go to your bed at night. All right? A good vibes. And drink it for 10 days and see.